Hi friend, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In this video I will show how to make blood circulation device. Let's get started. Friends, for making blood circulation device you will need two DC motors, small DC motors. You can find from old joystick these motors. You also need the two pipes, two PVC pipes. You will need 18650 battery, this cell, and you will also need for charging purpose charging module, 5 volt and 1 ampere charging module, and some wires and tapes you will also need. For soldering you will need soldering wire and soldering gun. Now to make, let's get started. This DC motor I will fix it. One DC motor I will fix in this and one in this fix. Now friends, for running this I fix it 18650 battery with the help of hot glue gun. Now friends, I fix it. This is battery wire and these two DC motor wire. Now we want to connect both these wires. These two DC motor wire, connect this. We connect this in parallel series, positive and negative to negative. And we connect this. Now friends, I sold this for more flexibility. Now friends, I want to connect this module for charging purpose for these battery wires. This is a negative wire and this is positive wire, and this is positive, this is negative wire. I connect these both of them. I connect both these wires. Now friend, it sold this. I sold this. Now friend, I want to connect these motor wires to this battery wires. I connect this wire. Friend, this is open wire, I mean button wire. You can see this, it's running. This is a button wire, I connect these two wires in button. This is open wire. Now friends, I cover this with the help of tape. I cover this with the help of tape. I covering this. Friends, I cover this with the help of tape. For looking so nice, we cover with the help of white tape. This is a button wire, friends. See this is vibrating. You can see this is vibrating. I am doing massage, blood circulation. It's very good for health, friends, and you can also make this at home. Very easy to make. You can also see the process for making this. These two DC motor you can find from old joysticks, and battery you can find from old laptop battery. Also can find, and two wires and button needed. It's very easy to make, friends. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.